Okay, so this is my third Ax860i power supply unit from Corsair, and when I turn it on, I'm not sure if it's gonna be audible on video. But hell, I can hear it when I want to sleep. The computer is turned off, so yeah, the only option is to turn off the power supply unit each time I turn off the computer. That's highest class from Corsair, 30 P. I live in Slovakia, and I'm starting to think that companies from all over the world are sending crap in my country that doesn't work anywhere. They just refurbish it, because this is just unbelievable. Well, that's that. That's my computer with whistling third power supply unit from Corsair, and since I am already having a cable mod, it's kind of hard to switch cables. It's a work for at least a day and waste of tons of money on the cable mod.